Want to learn how to make a creative, unique PowerPoint presentation? You're not alone. And it's easier than ever. Thanks to premium templates and powerful design tools, you can build unique creative PowerPoints in moments. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress. I'm a PowerPoint design pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a unique and attractive PowerPoint presentation. The best part is, you don't have to be creative to make a creative PowerPoint. With custom themes and design inspiration, you can build a slide deck that lets you present with confidence. For this tutorial, we'll work with the beautiful Mulch PowerPoint theme from Envato Elements. I have it downloaded and open in PowerPoint here. As I scroll through, you can see the array of sleek and inspiring slide layouts inside. This template is easy to customize, and it helps you bring your design ideas to life. Part of making unique creative PowerPoints lies in knowing what not to do. Keep these simple rules in mind and you're primed for success. Don't read directly from your slides. This is the fastest way to lose the attention of your audience. Avoid cluttered slides with too many animations. These quickly become distracting and hard to read. And finally, avoid using the stock PowerPoint themes. They're more basic and don't offer the design inspirations you'll enjoy with premium templates like this one. Now, let's learn how to make a unique and attractive PowerPoint presentation with the Mulch template. As an example, we'll build a presentation to introduce a new mobile app. First up, we'll want to grab our audience's attention. Here, the idea of less is more is really key. Keep the focus on your spoken statement rather than overloading the slide. To get started here, click into one of these text boxes and select the contents. Then type in your own words. As you can see, the placeholder text vanishes, replaced with what you're typing. Jumping forward here, I've crafted a basic intro slide. It's short, sweet, and to the point. Next up, it's a good idea to introduce your team. Let's go to slide number 21 here. Audiences connect with individuals behind companies and products. It really adds a personal touch when you make these connections. I'll begin by repeating the earlier steps of adding some introductory text, which you can see here. Then, I'll add professional headshots of my team. Browse to an image stored on your computer. Click to select it, then drag and drop it into place. Repeat with the other two photos here, and in moments, you've built out an introductory team slide. Now, let's move to slide number 28, where we'll craft a SWOT analysis. This is one of the most creative things you can share in a PowerPoint. A SWOT is an acronym that stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a competitive analysis for a firm or product. As you can see, I've listed them out here using these text boxes and graphics. If you're presenting on a business venture, odds are a SWOT will feel right at home. Moving ahead here, let's explore the power of illustrations. Slide number 15 here has a mobile phone mockup. It's the perfect way to show off how your app or site looks on a real screen. It works just like the image placeholders used on the team intro slide. To put it to work, I'll drag and drop a screenshot onto the phone here. You'll see PowerPoint put it into place. I'll move through some more slide layouts here. As you can see, this reinforces the incredible value of premium templates. They're the best way to make unique creative PowerPoints quickly. Why? Well, because of the design inspirations they offer. Notice that all of these layouts are pre-built. All you have to do is drop in your own specifics. You'll never have to invent creative layouts by yourself. Last but not least, let's give our audience one more thing. This is a famous Steve Jobs tactic when he'd present new products. He would wow audiences by saving a key feature or new invention to be unveiled at the very end of the presentation. Here on slide number 32 is a great example. I've used the slide to announce that the audience could start using our new app right away. It's a way to keep the interest of your audience and inspire them to take action right now. That's it. In moments, you've learned how to make a unique and attractive PowerPoint presentation. That's all thanks to the beautiful premium templates found on Envato Elements. The Elements offer is powerful. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many creative, unique PowerPoint presentation templates as you want. Plus, Elements includes millions of other digital assets. As a subscriber, you'll enjoy unlimited access to fonts, stock photos, audio, and much more. Don't forget to like this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Touch Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find countless tutorials, courses, and content roundups that you can learn from and enjoy. Don't miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.